So every couple of years, one of the cruise lines will leapfrog over the others, introducing some amazing, innovative ship. Well, this year, that is the Carnival Mardi Gras. This ship is amazing. It is beautiful, and it has been all the rage with the vloggers and cruisers this weekend. It set sail on Saturday, the same day as the Royal Caribbean Ultra Quantum class, Odyssey of the Seas. And unfortunately, it just overshadowed them completely. All the vloggers, I spent my whole weekend watching videos on this beautiful ship. It's got lots of dining, lots of really nice common spaces that are really funky. They feel very, or at least what they look like on the videos, they look like they really feel kind of, you know, French Quartery, except for like a ship version of that. You know, all the big guys are on there. Sharon at Seas, JJ Cruises, The Ship Life, Party J, and just I'll list everybody that I've been watching over the last couple of days. It has really been distracting me and taking a lot of my time. It's almost kind of like this is my March Madness, but it's July, August sensation of cruise ships. So this is a beautiful ship, and I can't wait to get on it. Another one, the Celebration, will be coming out. Will be a sister ship, and it will be out in a couple years. This was obviously delayed. It should have been out the same as the Odyssey. It should have been out a while back. But everybody's really taking advantage and really enjoying the ship. They did a big press junket on Friday, so a bunch of the vloggers and news media and travel agents got to go march around and try some of the food. So much fun, and just really fun to watch everybody go through and show the ship like through their eyes, which is the fun thing about watching vloggers, is they're showing you the world through their eyes, their imagination, and it's been really fun to watch. So in other cruise news, you know, Carnival and Royal Caribbean are ramping up, and they're bringing on ships all the time now. So that's looking really positive. The Alaska season, albeit short, has started. So that's pretty exciting that's been going. The Norwegian has been kind of like a little bit behind maybe some of the others, but they started sailing in Greece, and in a couple of days they will be sailing out of Alaska as well. So they're back at it, and then from what they show on their website, it looks like they're going to really start bringing a lot of their ships on board starting in September. So that'll be really exciting to kind of get things back to normal. Things seem to be coming on pretty rapid. I know that they're still sailing under reduced capacity, because when I went and looked at some, you know, like to get on the Mardi Gras myself, there's starting to be like a real restriction of what rooms are left. So I don't know if that's because they're reducing capacity or just because the Mardi Gras is that ship that everybody's trying to get on this year. So I've been following along the you know, like Virgin Voyages and Carnival, Royal Caribbean, NCL, Princess. They do like weekly or bi-weekly seminars for travel agents, so I've been trying to go to those. So I thought I would make this every Tuesday. I'll call it Tuesday Tea Talks, and I'll sip my cuppa while I talk about some of the things I've found out in the cruise industry to kind of help everyone out and to get back into it. Virgin said today that they have got paying customers that in the UK that will be sailing Scarlet Lady later on this week. Yay. I think that was like August 6th for exact date. And then they will be bringing the Scarlet Lady back to Miami and start those sailings on October 6th. So very excited to get the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady in a place where I can see her, because I think that's going to be another game-changing ship. But boy, the bar got set high by Carnival's Mardi Gras. Woo! It looks really, really amazing. Really, really fun. So in other cruise news, like I say, Alaska's start back up, and everything is definitely just getting a little bit better. I'll keep an eye on things, and I'll let you know stuff when I know it. And so let's call this Tuesday Tea Talks.